So in this section, we are diving into one of the most essential elements in web development, the HTML button. Buttons are everywhere on the web, from forms to interactive features, and by the end of the video, you will know exactly how to create and style them. A button in HTML is an interactive element that users can click to perform an action, like submitting a form, navigating to a new page, or triggering a script. Creating a button in HTML is super simple. So let's see how it is created. We will first start with a button tag. Okay, inside this button tag, we will add some content. For now, I'll just add a click me. Now let's see how it looks. So this one is our button tag that we have created, and it only have the text that we have given. So this is like the most basic button in HTML. But in HTML, we can also create different types of buttons. We can serve like different purposes. There are basically main three types of buttons in HTML. One is submit, reset, and button type. Let's see how we can create them. Like for creating a submit button, we have to give the type of this button as submit. Let's give the text as well as submit. So this is actually used to submit a form data. Then the other type of button is reset button. Give the type as reset and give the content as reset as well. You can give any content, but you have to give the exact type. So this reset button actually resets all the form fields to their default value. Like if its default value is like name, so it will go back to name after you like reset the button. All the fields of the form will just reset to its default value. Then the last one is called button type. You can just call it button. So the button type is just a regular button that does not have any predefined behavior. You can use it to trigger JavaScript function or any other functions that you want to execute. Okay, so the ID attributes is used to uniquely identify a single element on your page. Unlike classes, each ID should be unique within the document. I mean, if you write and if you just change this class into ID, like if you write an ID name title, you cannot and you should not write any other ID called title. It should be unique. If you want to add another title, like right here, if you want to add like ID title or anything, but you shouldn't name it the same as it is anywhere else in the document. You can give another name like title 2 or title 3 or anything else, but this ID field should be always unique. So let's write a style for this ID as well. Let's write a style for the title ID. So for that, we are going to go again on the style tag, and for the ID we have to define it like this. Then we are going to give the ID name, then the curly braces, and let's give it of color red. See, the H1 is now of color red. So like this, you can do various styling and manipulation using classes and IDs. So I hope you understand the fact that why should we use classes and IDs in HTML element. We will learn more and we will understand more in next tutorials as well.